Hello, I'm Pete Starkey with iConnect 007 here in Productronica and at the booth of Goepel Electronic, and delighted to meet with Andreas Turk. Andreas, thank you for joining us this morning.
Hello.
I know that it's a very busy show for you. We're pleased that you can spare us some time. Andreas, we're standing in front of your X-Line 3D X-ray inspection system. Please, can you give us a little bit of background about the system? I know it's been established for some time.
Yeah. It's established for over 6-7 years, and it's a full inline AXI system.
Yeah.
That means you can put it directly into the production line, SMT production line, and test boards automatically. And the highlight with this system is you can test them either with 2D X-ray, 2.5D X-ray, or you can also do a 3D X-ray. This is helpful if you have double side assembled boards, then you can separate top from bottom side.
What is the sort of process time for these three options?
2D is quite fast. With 3D, of course, you are not so fast due to the fact that you need multiple tilt view angles to create a 3D picture. But with this system, we now offer two options. Option number one is to test the whole area of the PCB by X-ray. Therefore, we use our patented multi-angle detector, which is quite fast and has a scanning image acquisition. And now we show you here on this booth the new detector concept, which is the Stingray Detector. And this Stingray Detector now ensures high image quality in 2D, 2.5D and 3D with a scalable resolution and a scalable set slice thickness.
So what is the principle of the Stingray system?
Yeah, the detector concept consists out of a high-performance AXI system, and mounted on this AXI system we have a state-of-the-art flat panel detector. And we move this detector quite fast on a certain position and acquire images very fast.
So the Stingray system is a selective system. You can inspect in high resolution specific areas.
Exactly, not made for the whole area, but for specific areas like hidden solder joints. Let's think about BGAs, QFNs, or also THT solder joints where you want to check barrel fill. Therefore, Stingray is made and ensures you high quality pictures.
So you would use this in conjunction with a full inspection, 2D, 2.5D or 3D, and then focus on specific areas where there are difficult to inspect features.
Exactly correct. And the nice thing is you can mix those technologies up. So if you have one board, then you can decide, okay, this IC I can do with 2D, and the other ones I do with 3D, because otherwise I have, for instance, shadows or overlaps with the bottom side assembly.
So if you were to put this system in line, what sort of throughput in average terms would you be able to get through the system?
Strongly depending on the, let's say, PCB size, of course, and of the amount of hidden solder joints I want to test. But as a rough idea, I can tell you that we need approximately 3 seconds for one 3D image. So if you want to have, for instance, 5 different field of views, then one field of view has 3 seconds, so you end up with 15 seconds. Plus 5 seconds handling time.
So online in detail X-ray inspection would not be the rate determining step on a production line.
It will be not the bottleneck. It's still an inline machine and it's fast enough.
No, that sounds really exciting. I believe you've made some software enhancements.
Yes. Also. So not only hardware like with the Stingray, we have a complete new software concept, a new machine software which is touch-based, and you can run this software either on the machine or on a tablet device. So the operator, for instance, has a problem on the machine, and you as a supervisor with your tablet, you can monitor and control the machine far away from the machine. Which is pretty good. Just to give you an example, for instance, on the tablet you see that the throughput decreases. Then you can chat with the operator on the machine and ask him, hey, what's going on, guy? What can I do for you? And he says, your program is not okay, please debug it. Then he can directly open this program and debug it on the offline programming station. So pretty nice feature.
So once you have programmed for each separate design that's going through, how quickly can the machine change from one design to another?
Very quick, because we store every test program in a database, and on the machine it's just one click to change the program and to change the width, so very, very fast.
Yeah.
And also with the programs itself, we have a new feature. We have a release management now inside, so you can freeze your programs. They are stored in the database, and then you can say, okay, I test the next 1000 boards only with this revision. And if you feel that the revision was not okay, you can go back to an older version. That's pretty cool.
It's an exciting sounding system. I know we had to wait quite a while before you were free because there was so much interest in this system. It's the first day of the show, it's really just the second hour of the first day of the show, and already it's causing an awful lot of interest. Andreas, it's been wonderful to meet you, and thank you very much indeed for your time.
Yeah, thank you also. Bye.
Pete Starkey, iConnect 007 at Productronica. Thank you.